Ricordi antichi, ancient memories. Twilight and the evening comes up. Sleep is present, like the sea of our existence. The ancient memories wrap the mind, like in a film of times past. They surround me and bring me far away into my childhood. I hear someone call me and find myself child. Emotions cheer up my heart. I see again my worshipped father, my beloved grandparents, and many others who are not here anymore. I open my eyes and everything vanishes in nothing. Our angels listen and are near the present and the past of our life.